happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the mouse. This is a transparency mouse from Fmouse, just like the one we checked out last time, but this one has a little bit of modified on the body side and stuff like that. I think it's going to be really great to just have a look at this kind of mouse and experience it. So enough of me talking, let's get started. You can see, guys, this is the transparency mouse. We're going to just unbox this kind of bad boy and check out what's so special about this mouse, and am I just like recommending it on the day-to-day basis on using on the mouse, or it's just a mouse like any other kind of mouse. So enough of me talking, let's get started throughout the video today. So guys, this is our bad boy over here. We're gonna just unseal it so as we can check it out what's so special. Okay, first thing first, you're greeted with this kind of manual, which is M333, which is really cool. And as you can see over here, you can just have a look at it and check it out. On the DPI side, it has up to 2400 DPI, which is quite not bad for day-to-day usage. So we'll talk about it. So I'm gonna keep it aside first. So over here, first thing first, there's another layer. Okay, we are having the USB Type-C to USB-A, which is really dope. So this is our bad boy. Damn, looks really good. And as you can see, it's really transparency even from inside, and the wheel has like a gradient kind of color, green and pink over there, which is quite not bad. And another kind of stuff throughout here, opening it is just like that, so you can see everything inside the mouse, which is something which is so spectacular about this kind of Fmouse. And another kind of stuff, it's magnetic on this kind of case. So this is like the dongle, which you can just keep it on your computer or on your devices. So it's really cool. So you just open it like this way, and it has magnetic, just know that. So this is the dongle. We'll just connect it on the computer here, so as we can see what's happening. And this one is for Type-C. So let's say you want to use it for Type-C, you can use the mouse for your phone. So we're gonna test it both for the Type-C and even for the USB connectivity. When you're done on this kind of stuff, you just return it like that. It's magnetic, and you just clip it back. As you can see, it looks really good, and your dongle is safe. It does not look that much great. I think like when you remove it entirely, it gives it much better shape, just like that. You see, it feels like there's something missing out over there, but overall it's quite not bad. So turning it on is just this way, and our bad boy will be on. It has like an RGB at the sideways, which is really dope. And this one, it's LED and DPI, so you can change the LED depending on what you want. And this one is selecting your computer which you want. So if it's this one, this is connected on this machine, which you can see somewhere here underneath. I'm tapping here, so right now it's working fine. But overall, you can switch between PC1 or your device, so you can connect multiple devices using this mouse, which is really vibrant. So I think right now we're gonna just test it so as we can experience what's goody about this Fmouse. So yeah, so let's say we're comparing between the mouse I'm having, which is the G6 mouse. This kind of mouse, it's really gigantic. As you can see, it's really bigger compared to this Fmouse transparency. So it gives the kind of like a Logitech mouse, which is M333-A or something like that. So somewhere over there, I think it's just giving it like a Logitech kind of mouse vibe, which is a silent mouse. So this one has a really nice silent button. You can't hear anything, to be honest. As you can see, it's just really silent. Even the buttons over here, they're so silent. So you just switch to another mode over here, and when it's just on that mode, you can see the RGB going on. That means it's working fine. So the mouse feels really incredible. Well, to be honest, can't complain at all. Feels like the DPI is quite lower. So basically, this mouse is best for office use, not for gaming. You can use it for design too, not bad for that kind of DPI. DPI, not bad at all. You can use it for Photoshop or your day-to-day basis of your workflows, but for video editing too, it's cool, but you're just gonna be missing out a lot. So I think this mouse, we can categorize it throughout the usage of Office, on the day-to-day basics usage. It's really cool. So yeah, it's a transparency mouse. Great. Let's talk about the Fmouse M333 specification. Well, it has a silent design. It comes with a Type-C charging port. On top of that, it has a 10 meters of wireless transmission. It has a long-lasting battery life, which can stay for quite long of usage. Well, this kind of mouse is born for office and home use, which is really impressive. Oh, my bad, guys. You just have to turn it off and on again whenever you're switching throughout these kind of dongles, so beware of that. So right now it's working fine. You can see my mouse somewhere there. There's a spotlight somewhere of my light, you know. By the way, but overall it's just working fine. You can see there, I can just tap there and here, so it's working fine. So guys, you can use this dongle even on your devices like smartphones and stuff like that. So when you're done, you can see here it's working fine on your phone, and you can operate it just like that depending on what you really need on your device and stuff like that. When you swipe in this way, you can read some articles from Google just by using your mouse. You can scroll like that, which is really cool. So yeah, giving you bunch of options through using this kind of mouse. So that's a brilliant idea. So yeah, that's it about the Fmouse. It's a really nice mouse, to be honest. If you wanna use it for home use and office use, to be honest, it comes really in handy. It's just really dope, to be honest. It's kind of not breaking your bank at all, but it has tons and tons of features, like the feature which you can switch between devices, which it's really vibrant. It has a feature of LED around of it. Whenever you're not using it, it stays like idle and stuff like that, which it's a really dope feature, I can say. But just know that this kind of mouse catches a little bit of, you know, like fingerprints a little bit, like an highlight of it, and yeah, it's quite not bad. But overall, yeah, just know that. And another kind of stuff, you can see through every component of the mouse, which it's a dope thing. I like it because I'm a techie, and yeah, overall it's a dope mouse. Can't complain at all. Thank you guys for watching. You're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next tech video, and peace.